This is a class that I actually did with second graders for my counseling, and it was reasons that we have rules and laws. It's part of our Protecting You, Protecting Me unit. We really dig into the brain type of thing. So the class yes that I used class boo, and the students would say yes boo. We've used class yes quite a bit in our school, and students have I think grown tired of it, and this really brought their attention to what they needed to do. Then I asked them, just a class in general, to get them used to the subject that we were talking about. Who knows why we have rules and laws? And one child did say protect, and I said that's right. I says protect. Everybody say protect, and we put a shield in front of us. So protection. The reason we have rules and laws is to protect us. Okay, teach. Teach your next door neighbor about protection and show them the sign for protection. And then they did that. The second reason we have rules and laws is respect. I had to help them with this a little bit. They kind of got the idea. And for respect, we shake hands to show that we respect one another. So students, yes. Class, boo! And I really said a big boo so that they would kind of knock their socks off. And they say, yes, boo. When I say teach, okay, I want you to teach your neighbor about respect, and you're going to shake their hand and say respect. Show them the sign for respect. Ready, teach, and then they would do that. And then the last reason is for order, and order is like this. And I give them the example of we live about an hour from Bozeman, which is way bigger than our town. Our town has stop signs but no street lights. And I said, what if Bozeman didn't have any stoplights? And the students, oh, we'd wreck and things like that. So I said, so one of the reasons we have rules and laws is for order. When I say class teach, I want you to turn and teach your neighbor about order, and I want you to show them the order sign. Ready, teach. And they would say, okay, teach. And then we had examples. I gave examples out, and they talked to each other, a partner, before they raised their hand and talked to me about where this would belong. So one of them was being polite, and being polite is under respect. So I told the students, okay, being polite, and I would go talk, 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 talk. I want you to talk, 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 talk to your neighbor. So some of them did this talk, talk, talk instead of talking. If I had more time, I would make sure that they didn't do that part, that they would actually talk about where does being polite belong. Being polite belongs in respect. One of them was seatbelt laws, and that's kind of a dual one where it is order and protection. So I said this was a little tricky. Where do you think this one belongs? And then, of course, when I said tricky, then I talked to your neighbor first. Then they did that, and then at the very end, we went through them all again. I says, and I said mere words and mere words. The reasons we have rules and laws, the reason we have rules and laws is for protection, protection, respect, respect, order, order. Yeah, and that was my lesson with the second grade class. Oh, there is a difference between second grade and sixth grade. Second graders got way more into it than my sixth graders do.